My name's Grant Nesbitt. I run the manufacturing team here at Orion. Been in recruitment for just shy of 18 years and working for Orion for about 10 of those. I head up the manufacturing division that supports a variety of different industries within blue collar and shop floor recruitment.
Why do you enjoy being the manufacturing team manager?
We work in an incredibly fast-paced environment. We've worked very hard over the last 5 years to create a fast-paced, competitive environment, but a good fun environment to work in also. We've got a number of committed staff in there that really enjoy coming to work and doing what they do. We don't have any Monday morning blues. We do have people that want to come in, get in early, get on with the job, and subsequently create a good environment to work in.
As your team is one of the largest, what do you do to continually motivate and support your team?
I think ultimately motivation comes from within the person. I'm very fortunate in the fact that the team that I have in place are motivated individuals. Of course it's recruitment, so when that does happen, that we do have the down days, it's my job to, I suppose, use my experiences and failures in the past to help bring them back up. Ultimately there's only so much you can do in recruitment to not focus too much on the mistakes and focus more on the positives.
You are actively recruiting for your team at the moment. What can candidates expect when they come to interview with you?
I would say an honest and fair approach. I'm looking to create a friendly environment. We're not looking to interrogate anyone, but we will give you an honest assessment of the job role, the pros and cons, the team in itself, but ultimately whether the career path for you can go.
What do you love most about Orion?
I think I said earlier, just I don't have that Monday morning feeling. I think we've worked hard over the last 10 years since I've been here to create a good, fun, competitive culture. And we are a business that understands that everyone is different. We understand that everyone has different needs. We understand that people have different aspirations. I'd say we never say no. We always ask how and why, and then we come to a collective decision.
Finally, as a manager, describe yourself in 3 words.
Oh dear. I would say honest, fair, driven.